ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्. Makar Sankranti is a harvest festival that is celebrated in various parts of India to observe the day which marks the shift of the sun into ever lengthening days. The festival is a seasonal observance as well as a religious celebration. It is a festival day in the Hindu calendar that is dedicated to the god Surya. It is observed every year in the lunar month of Magh, that is the month of January. Makar Sankranti is an important pan-Indian solar festival known by different names. It is known as Pedda Panduga in Andhra Pradesh, Makar Sankranti in Karnataka and Maharashtra, Pongal in Tamil Nadu, Magh Bihu in Assam, Magh Mela in parts of central and north India, Magh Hara Vallaku in Kerala. This festival generally marks the beginning of the Kumbh Mela in Uttar Pradesh, while in South India, like Kerala, one of the most hard and difficult pilgrimages of Sabrimala ends on this auspicious day. This festival is a thanksgiving ceremony in which the farmers celebrate to thank the spirits of nature like the sun and the farm animals for their assistance in providing a successful harvest. The rest of the people celebrate the festival to pay their thanks to the farmers for the production of food. Some traditional dishes that are made on Sankranti include Tilgud Laddu, Puran Poli, Makar Chawla, Khichdi, and Pinni. Why do we fly kites during Sankranti? On this auspicious day, people fly kites and prepare traditional sweets like gajak that marks the arrival of the spring. In different parts of the country, Makar Sankranti is celebrated in different ways. In some areas, people exchange sweets and greetings, while others take holy dip in the river. Kite flying is also an inherent part of Makar Sankranti celebrations, where colorful kites adorn the sky from the morning of Makar Sankranti. According to some beliefs, the tradition of kite flying on Makar Sankranti is being carried out so that people are exposed to the sun rays. Kite flying is largely done in the early hours of the morning when the sun's beams are brilliant. Flying kites in Sankranti is believed to get rid of the skin infections and illnesses associated with the winter. The exposure of initial rays of the sun is considered beneficial to health as it is a good source of vitamin D. Besides this, people also believe that kite flying is a way of thanking the gods, as it is considered that gods awake from their sleep on Makar Sankranti after a period of 6 months. Kite flying can be witnessed across different parts of the country, but it is mostly done with great enthusiasm in Gujarat and Rajasthan. The tradition of flying kites during Makar Sankranti is followed all over the country and lately has spread in many parts of the world.